problem. I will be asking your friends the questions. Then things we taught because we didn't teach much. Okay, so only just 2 things we taught. Anna, name the components of the food. Others except the student whom I asked, others mute your audio. Anna.
Yes, ma'am.
Name the components of food.
Carbohydrates.
Carbohydrates and then?
Proteins.
Okay, that's enough. Thank you. Amida, tell me the next one. Next components. She said
Minerals.
Vitamins. Minerals. Then what? Okay. Amida, it's okay. I move on to next. Malavika, tell me the remaining one. Remaining component. Carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals. What else is left now? Malavika? Her video stuck. I think so.
Ma'am, fat.
Yeah, fats. Okay. Vitamins, minerals, fats. Very good. Ayan, are you okay? Ayan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now tell me, what is the use of carbohydrates in our body?
It gives.
Yeah, it?
Can I say? Ma'am, it gives energy.
It gives energy. Very good. Ashish, your video stuck? Mute it. Ayan, you can mute it. Adul? Adul, are you listening?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is the name of the carbohydrates? We call other names because it gives us energy. So what is the name of the carbohydrates we call? They're known as? Carbohydrates are known as dash. What is that? It gives energy. So what they call? Atul, did you study what you learned? What you learned last week?
Yes, ma'am.
Then tell me what is the name of the carbohydrate? Since it is giving energy, we call carbohydrates are dash. What is that? Yeah, whose video is on audio? Okay, Vinayak. Hey, everyone's video stuck. Who else?
Can I say, ma'am? Can I say?
Yeah, say.
Ma'am, energy giving food.
Yeah, they are known as energy giving food. Since carbohydrates are giving us energy, they are known as energy giving food. Okay. Ashish, what is the use of proteins in our body? What is the use of proteins in our body? Ashish, do you have in your notes? I have also sent some homework to write. You must have written there. Read that at least. I think you did not write the homework. That's why you are thinking. Okay, Ananda Krishnan. Ashish, you think. I will come back to you. Ananda Krishnan, are you there? No answer. Haya, what is the use of protein in our body? Dear, you are sick. You should be more vibrant. I think so. Haya,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the use of proteins in our body?
It gives energy.
It gives?
Energy.
I am asking the use of proteins. We have learned that, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Smriti, I come back to Haya. Study. Smriti, what is the use of proteins?
Ma'am, proteins, they provide energy.
Smriti, you are saying something, I did not listen. You said something, but I could not hear. Unmute and tell me. Unmute your audio and tell me. What is the use of proteins?
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Ma'am, proteins, they provide energy to our body.
No, no. Okay, Smriti. Anyone
Ma'am,
else? Devika. Yeah, Devika. Give me the use of proteins.
Ma'am, proteins are used to build and repair our tissues in our body.
Yes, proteins are for our growth and repair of our body. Energy given by carbohydrates, but proteins for it gives growth or it helps to grow and repair our body. Therefore, they are known as, what is the name of that word? Because they are building our body, we call it them body building food. Did you hear that?
Yes,
I have told
Yes,
you.
ma'am.
Ah, this is the topic I have stopped. Okay. And I spoke about 6-pack and 8-pack. If you want, you should have enough protein. So proteins gives by egg, meat, fish. All these gives us proteins and pulses. Pulses means dal, chana, moong dal, all kind of pulses. And some of the food, yeah, some of the food which give us carbohydrates also give us proteins. But what is the difference? In some food, carbohydrates are less, proteins are more. For example, vegetable. In vegetable, certain vegetable carbohydrates are less, but proteins are more. Okay, so that measurement is different. So maybe the same food give us both carbohydrates and proteins, but excuse me. So, but the measurement of carbohydrates and proteins in each food varies. Okay. So that is the two components we have studied. Now we are moving on to the next component, fat. Okay. So this is what we studied, carbohydrates. We are moving on the next one. So this is proteins. This is over. Yeah, fats. Next component, component 3, fats. Fats and carbohydrates are same function. But what is the difference? Fats give much more energy. Fats give much more energy. So that is the one difference here. So write down, fats give much more energy. So it is also known as energy giving food. So carbohydrates as well as fats, both known as energy giving food. So fats give much more energy. So they are known as energy
giving food.
So we have two components, we call it energy giving food, fats and carbohydrates.
Carbohydrates.
Yeah. And from where you get these fats? All the nuts, you know, NUT, nuts. Nuts like cashew nuts, walnut, okay. All this give us the fat. All type of oily nuts. So write down nuts, comma, walnuts. Have you seen the walnuts, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
It doesn't
Yes,
taste.
ma'am.
It looks very beautiful, but it doesn't taste much. Okay. But it gives a lot of proteins and as well as fat. That's enough. It gives a lot of energy.
not good for tasting, ma'am.
Yeah. And also, if you eat one walnut, one cashew nut, 2-3 dried grapes, if you eat daily this and one badam, you know, badam, and if you eat one like that, now every day, if you eat it, it will give you more energy, and also our memory will be boosted. So usually, if your mother is pregnant or pregnant women, while the baby is in stomach, we call it womb. The stomach of the baby, we call it womb. In womb, then those mothers will eat these nuts. Why? Because they wanted their baby in my womb should grow. So that much very good. It's very good component and it is necessary for our life. It is necessary for our life. But too much fat is not good. If you eat too much, it is not only nuts, all the fried items. I know you like the fried one. Chicken fry, halfam. Huh? Some of you are very fond of all this. Yeah. Then fried fish. Huh? All this, all fried items give us fat. But we should not eat much fat things also.
Ma'am, you're making us hungry, ma'am.
I am also feeling hungry. It almost be 5 o'clock. Don't worry. Once my class over, run to the whatever ma'am prepared for you. Maybe fried items ma'am may be prepared for you. Correct?
Yes.
I know some have water in their tongue, in their mouth. Huh? Okay. So it is the wrong time I speak about all this. Correct? Because we are hungry. It's going to be 5 o'clock. Okay. So that's it. So we have finished fats. Huh? Who's that? You? Sian, Fatima. I can see you. You are feeling very hungry. I can see from your movement, lip movement. Clear? Okay. So next, we are moving on to the next one. Vitamins. Okay? Yeah. So next component, what we study is vitamins. Minerals come later because minerals we don't require much. Yeah, vitamins. Now,
Ma'am, this is carbohydrate.
in the body. Why? Because vitamins are the one who build the structure of our body. Your body brown color, it should be strong. All this by the vitamins. Proteins is
Can you talk louder?
sustain that
I
protein.
can't hear.
Can you? Ma'am, can't hear you. Can you speak
I
louder?
can hear you.
Okay, can you now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Proteins are body building food, but at the same time to sustain, you want to have a healthy body. Apart from proteins, we
Ma'am,
in building
Ma'am,
our
you are not audible.
body tissue.
Ma'am, you
Am
are
I
not
audible now?
yes, ma'am.
Am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am. While you're talking, your audio is talking.
Now? Okay. Are you okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So vitamins are very important thing to build our body. See, proteins give us strength and structure this thing, but our body tissue, okay, and our bones, it's not only protein, we require our bones to be strong, correct? Bones, then the joints between your hand, your elbow, your knee, all these parts, all that joints should be strong enough if you have vitamins. If you don't have vitamins, then our body may not have enough strength, our bone may not be strong. You cannot run fast sometimes. You cannot do anything faster if your bones are not strong. So vitamins help us in building our body tissue. Okay. So can you see the board, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you write
Yes, ma'am.
which is in the first two sentences? Under vitamins, first two sentences. That means vitamins
ma'am.
provide structure to the blood vessels, comma,
And bone.
ligaments and bone, ligaments and bone. Only that you write. Remaining, I will tell you how to write. Okay, don't write down. So what is a blood vessels? You know, you will be going to 7th standard next year. So you have a one chapter, circulatory system. In that you study more detail about structure of the blood. Our blood has so many things. It is not only that liquid. It has hemoglobin, it has plasma, then it has got red blood cell, white blood cell, all that. These all components of the blood. So in order to build that components, need to have enough vitamins. Otherwise, you will not get enough blood. Once there is no blood in your body, you cannot live. Because our blood is the one transporting all the nutrients. Blood has to transport proteins, fats, carbohydrates, everything in different parts of our body. If we don't have enough blood and if you don't have enough good blood, all these nutrients will not reach in our body. That's why vitamins are so much important. Okay? And who gives all these vitamins? All kind of fruits. Can write? Who gives vitamins? Example, fruits, vegetables. Then you know strawberries, red color.
Ma'am, you're not audible.
All red color fruit will give us. Strawberries, pomegranate. You know the pomegranate. You call it madala narang. We call it no. That's pomegranate.
Ma'am, does sunlight give?
No, that gives vitamin, but one type of vitamin. I'm generally speaking about all type of vitamins. After that, we will learn each type of vitamin. Okay. I'm just speaking about generally what do you mean by vitamins. What are the need? What is the need of vitamins in our body? Clear? Okay. Now we are moving on to types of vitamins. Types of vitamins. So we have mainly 6 vitamins. So you can write down.
Ma'am, you are not audible.
Vitamin A, comma. C, comma. Don't write A, B, C, D. What I say only write. Vitamin A, comma. C, comma.
No, ma'am.
D. A, C, D, comma.
Can you say one more time?
K.
Ma'am,
Yes, Namasya.
ma'am, can you please say one more time?
Vitamin A, comma C, comma D, comma you know. Don't write in English comma. C, D, comma K. Don't. I'll tell you what to write. Only what I'm saying, you write it. Some of you are just looking at the slide. Right? What I'm saying, only you write. If there is need for you to copy, I will show you the slide. So, vitamin A, C, D, K, comma E, and B complex. Put the capital B, put hyphen and write the word complex.
Ma'am, you are not audible.
B complex. So these are the main vitamins. Now, each vitamin has its own function. Then you are learning so many functions. We learn carbohydrates, we learn proteins, fat. Vitamins generally we learned. Now we are going to learn each type of vitamin give or help us in which way. Okay. So first we can go to through vitamin A. You can see on the slide. Can you read Geetika? What is the first vitamin A's function? That you can copy. Read first, then you write.
Vitamin A keeps our skin and eyes healthy.
Yes. Okay. So write down. Only that you write. Vitamin A keeps our skin and eyes healthy. So if you want to have a glowing skin, you should have vitamin A enough. Glowing skin, and if you like to have a very good sight. Francis Richard, why are you not writing? Francis, you are not writing?
Yes, ma'am, I am writing.
So vitamin A you write? I have not seen you writing. That's what.
Ma'am, I written this.
Okay. Abhinav Sajan, read the second one, vitamin C. What is the help of vitamin C? Read.
Vitamin C helps body to fight against many diseases.
Vitamin C helps body to fight against many diseases. Every time you will not get the fever. Sometimes only. If you are getting every time fever, that means you don't have enough vitamin C. So vitamin C required to fight against many diseases. Just like so many are getting COVID. We are not getting COVID because we have vitamin C. So in order to prevent the COVID, now doctors are telling you to have vitamin C tablets. You can get vitamin C also from lemons, oranges, all type of the sour fruit give us vitamin C. So better you have one orange in a day. You know, we are living in a difficult situation. Vitamin C helps many diseases. Atul, read vitamin D.
Vitamin D helps our body to use calcium for bones and teeth.
Very good. Calcium is a mineral that we will be seeing later. So, for strong teeth and strong bone, vitamin D requires. So, write it down. Helps our
And
body to
calcium means
use
milk
calcium
and teeth.
for bones and teeth. Because these are very important one. Yeah.
And calcium means milk or something.
Calcium is a mineral. CalCium. Calcium, potassium, iron, all these are minerals. We will be discussing minerals. That time I'll tell you. Calcium. It's a chemical element. We get it from the foods, from all kind of shellfish. You know shellfish. Shellfish. We get from prawns. Sardines. Sardines in our matti. All this gives calcium.
Ma'am, sardine is another
Huh?
fish. Ma'am, sardine is another fish.
I can't hear you.
Ma'am, sardine is another fish.
Sardine.
Ma'am, sardine is not matti.
What matti no? It's known as sardine. That's what I said. River fish give us calcium. River fish. Okay. And what is vitamin K, E? Vitamin K, E and B complex important for, apart from this, these are the main vitamins we require. A, C, D. K, E and B complex required for our skin and eyes. Mainly for skin. Okay. It does not require in much quantity. We require mainly A, C, D. That is more. So vitamin K, E and B complex, you can write it, help our skin to be healthy. To help our skin, S-K-I-N, skin to be healthy. Vitamin A is important vitamin. Apart from this, we need little vitamin K, E and B complex. Okay. Okay, students. Today we are winding up the session. Time up. So next class, you have to study
Vitamins.
Fats and vitamins. Okay. Fats function, from where you get the fat. Then you have to learn the use of vitamins and different types of vitamin and its function. Okay. I'll be sending you some questions based on this, what we learned.
Okay, ma'am.
Write it, the answer in the notes. Ruled sheets. Okay? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Feeling hungry?
Thank you, ma'am.
You can go to the kitchen and have the food. Ma'am has been prepared. Fried banana. Oh, vadas. At your requirement. Okay, children.
Then my mom is here, ma'am.